Which bird is known for its distinctive laughing call? Chuckling sparrow. What is the largest flying bird in the world? It's condor. Which bird is a symbol of wisdom in many cultures? Correct answer is owl. What is the national bird of the United States? It's eagle. Which bird is famous for its ability to imitate human speech? Answer is parrot. What is the fastest bird on the planet? Peregrine falcon. Which bird is known for its long, colorful tail feathers? It's peacock. Which bird is associated with delivering babies in folklore? Stork. What is the smallest bird in the world? Correct answer is hummingbird. Which bird is the national symbol of India? Peafowl.